Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix your blurry photo with this CapCut AI feature. So here what you need to do is go to expand at the CapCut homepage and you'll find the image enhancement. Click on that and then choose the blurry photo that you want to fix. So I have this photos right here. Click on add. Now just let CapCut do its magic to enhance the image quality. Okay, so just wait. You can see now it has a better quality. So this is the before look and this is the after. You can see the difference slightly. Okay, so if you're satisfied with the result, you can just click on export at the top right corner, and that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, comment, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.